Good morning, students. Welcome you all in Shardabai Pawar Vidyaniketan MD School for Standard 9th Maths 1 lecture with Vinayak Asitanani. So, student, in previous lecture we had seen or we had solved the problem set 1.3. So, let us today will discuss about the operation on sets. In that first one, there are some operations we are doing on set. That means we are doing some mathematical operation on the sets. In that first one is intersection of two sets. The next one is disjoint sets. Third one, union of two sets. And the last one is number of elements in a set. So today we are going to discuss about on these four topics. So first one, intersection of two sets. That means when two sets are intersect each other, in that the common element comes, that is the intersection. We'll discuss about it in details. The next one is disjoint set. That means the set which are not joined. The name disjoint suggests that the sets are not joined. The next one is union of two sets. Union means unity. We have to combine two sets, element of that two sets together. That is the union of two sets. And the last one is number of an element in a set. In that we have to check, we have to decide how many numbers or how many elements are present in the set. So let us start our first one, that is the intersection of two sets. So student, suppose set A and B are two sets. The set of all common elements of set A and B is called the intersection of set A and set B. That means we have to check the common elements of set A and B, and we have to write down that all common elements only once in another set. That is nothing but the intersection of that two sets. So we denote that intersection of A and B by this okay. So we denote A intersection B by this, and we will read it as A intersection B. So student, let us see how to write the intersection with rule method or mathematical form. So A intersection B is a set of all x such that the x belongs to A and x belongs to B. That means the A intersection B is a set of the elements which elements are belong to A also and B also, both the sets. So let us see the example. X is a set of 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Y is a set of 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. So we have to find the intersection of x and y. Let us check. Now the common element of x and y is 11 and 13. So let us write the set of x intersection y. So x intersection y is equals to set of 11 and 13. So student, remember some properties based on intersection. So first one is A intersection B is equals to B intersection A. So this is the same property. That means the common element of A and B are same the common element of B and A. So this property we can say like this: a plus b is equals to b plus a. So answer will be same. Similarly, if we check the element a and b, a intersection b is similar to the b intersection a. These are the same because we have to find the common element a and b is similar to the common element of b and a. The next one is, if a is a subset of b, then a intersection b is equals to a. That means if we are checking the intersection common elements of two sets, out of that one of the subset of the other set, that means suppose a is a subset of b. Suppose any set we are having here, suppose this is our set B and inside, that means subset, this is the set A. So here student, A is a subset of B, that means all the elements of A are in B. Then if we have to find the common elements of A and B, so obviously all the elements of A are similar to all the elements of all similar to the B, because all the elements of A are present in B. So this total whole set of A is common in A and B. That's why we can say that A intersection B is equals to A. When if A is a subset of B, म्हणजेच काय, जर A हा B चा सबसेट असेल म्हणजे A चे सगळे एलिमेंट B मध्ये येणारच. ओके, म्हणजे आपण काय म्हणणार, जेव्हा A इंटरसेक्शन B आपण घेणार तर ऑब्वियसली A चे सगळे एलिमेंट B मध्ये आहे, म्हणजे A आणि B मध्ये काय कॉमन असणार, तर हा पूर्ण सेट कॉमन असणार. म्हणून आपण काय म्हणणार, A इंटरसेक्शन B म्हणजेच काय, सेट A हे पूर्ण एलिमेंट येणार. सिमिलरली if A intersection B is equals to A, then we can say that A is a subset of B. म्हणजेच काय, जर A इंटरसेक्शन आपण घेताना आन्सर A दिसला तर आपण काय म्हणणार, A हा B चा सबसेट आहे. ओके, if A intersection B is equals to B, then B is a subset of A. ओके, सो इंटरसेक्शन बघताना आपण काय करतो, दोन सेट असे असतात आपल्याकडे, त्यांच्यातले कॉमन एलिमेंट, हा पूर्ण आपला सेट ए आहे, हा पूर्ण आपला सेट बी आहे, आणि हे जे कॉमन असतात, हे जे शेडेड पार्ट आपण करणार आहे, हे जे शेडेड पार्ट आहे ते काय असणार, कॉमन. दॅट मीन्स ए इंटरसेक्शन बी काय असणार, हे असणार आपला ए इंटरसेक्शन बी. तर बघा, ए इंटरसेक्शन बी हा ए मध्ये पण येतो आणि बी मध्ये पण येतो, आहे का नाही. ए इंटरसेक्शन बीचे जे एलिमेंट आहे ते सेट ए मध्ये सुद्धा आहे आणि सेट बी मध्ये. ओके, हा आहे आपला ए इंटरसेक्शन बी. तर ए इंटरसेक्शनचे एलिमेंट सेट ए मध्ये पण लागू होतात आणि सेट बीला पण जोडून असतात. म्हणजे आपण काय म्हणतात, ए इंटरसेक्शन बी इज अ सबसेट ऑफ ए, ए इंटरसेक्शन बी इज अ सबसेट ऑफ बी. हा आपला सेट ए आहे आणि हा आपला सेट बी आहे. म्हणजे आपण काय म्हणणार, ए इंटरसेक्शन बी हा ए मध्ये पण आहे, म्हणजे ए चा पण सबसेट आहे आणि बी चा पण सबसेट आहे. सो नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी इज A and A complement. Intersection of A and A complement is 5. So let us, this is our set A, universal set, and all the element remaining, okay, all the element which are remaining in universal set, these all are A complement. ओके. तर आता बघा, ए आणि ए कॉम्प्लिमेंटमध्ये कुठलाच एलिमेंट कॉमन येत नाही. दोन्ही पण काय आहे, वेगळे सेट आहे. तर आपण काय म्हणणार, जर कुठलाच एलिमेंट कॉमन येत नाही तर त्यांचा इंटरसेक्शन काय असणार, 5. सो वी आर सेइंग दॅट द intersection of A and A complement is equals to 5 because there is no element common in A and A complement. Why? Because we are writing the A complement, the set which are the set of all element which are not present in set A. That's why the element are not common, should not be common in A and A complement. So student, one more thing you have to remember, that A intersection A is equals to A. That means suppose we are having any set A and intersection with itself is equals to A only. Okay, A intersection with A, all the element of A is present in A only. That's why the intersection of itself is itself. काय म्हणायचं, intersection of self is itself. Next one, intersection with phi is phi. म्हणजे जर कुठलाच एलिमेंट कॉमन नाही आहे, एम्प्टी सेट बरोबर जर आपण कुठला सेट बघतोय तर त्यात काहीच कॉमन नसणार, म्हणून आपण काय म्हणतात, काहीच कॉमन नाही आहे म्हणजे फाय एम्प्टी सेट आहे. सो intersection of A and empty set phi is equals to phi. So our next topic is disjoint set. Disjoint set, that means the set should not be contain any element with common. Okay, so let us see the definition. If not a single element common in a set, those sets are called disjoint set. Suppose any two sets are there, A and B, in that not a single element is common. That means intersection is phi empty set, then the sets are disjoint set. Suppose let A is equals to set 1, 3, 5, 9 and B is a set of 2, 4, 8 are given. Then confirm that not a single element is common in this set. It is confirmed that not a single element is common. So we can say that A and B, these sets are completely different from each other. So the set A and B are disjoint sets. Observe it with the Venn diagram. Let us see that these sets by using the Venn diagram. So see student, so this diagram are completely differ. These are not joint. That's why we can say these are disjoint sets. Okay, so move on the further, that is the union of two sets. Let A and B be two given sets. Then set of all the elements of set A and B is called the union of two sets. It is written as AUB, that means A union B, and it is read it as A union B. How to read it? Read it A union B. So let us see some examples on A union B. Set A is equals to -1, -3, -5 and 0. Set B is equals to 0, 3, 5 and A union B is equals to, let's combine both the set, -3, -5, 0, -1, 3 and 5. You can write the set elements of this set in randomly, but all the elements should present in this set without repeating any element. म्हणजे आपल्याला कुठलाही एलिमेंट रिपीट न करता दोन्ही सेटचे सगळे एलिमेंट लिहायचं आहे. याला म्हणतात युनियन ऑफ द सेट. नोट दॅट A युनियन B इज इक्वल्स टू B युनियन A. म्हणजे आपण A युनियन B लिहा किंवा B युनियन A लिहा, एकच असतो, ते काही सेपरेट नाही. सो सी दिस एक्झाम्पल बाय यूजिंग द Venn diagram. all the element we had written. Now see, 0 is common for the both set. So 0 is also present in A, 0 is also present in B. So we can say A intersection B. See student, this is for A intersection B. हा सेट जो असतो तो A intersection B आहे. That means 0 is present in A intersection B. आणि युनियन म्हटलं की आपल्याला हा पूर्ण सेट हे पण घ्यायचं आणि इकडचा पण सगळे एलिमेंट लिहायचं A युनियन B साठी. ओके, so let us move on. Next topic, that is number of elements in a set. So student, let A is equals to set 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15. Given set with 5 elements. How many elements are there? 5 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 elements. Okay. So number of elements of set A is denoted by. So student, remember one thing, whenever there is a bracket, we are reading this bracket as of. Mathematical form. In mathematics, bracket means of. लक्षात राहणार, जेव्हा कधी ब्रॅकेट असेल त्याला काय रीड करायचं आहे? ऑफ. N is denote for number, bracket is for, and A is for set. So we'll read it as number of set A. Number of elements in set A is denoted as N bracket A. That means number of elements present in set A. Therefore, we will write NA is equals to 5. That means there are 5 elements present in this set A. Set B is equals to 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. So student, let us check how many numbers are there, how many elements are there. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 elements are there. So number of B is equals to 6. So student, this we have seen 2 examples of number of element. So you have to remember something. There is one formula for number of element in union, in intersection, number of set A and B. This is the relation of number of the elements in the given sets. Intersect union, now element in A, element in set B and element in intersection of A, B. You have to remember this formula. The formula is that number of A union B is equals to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. So some students are facing some difficulty to remember this formula because they are not clarify that whether it's an intersection or union. So it means the another formula you can remember, that is number of A plus number of B is equals to number of union plus number of A intersection B. So let us see one example. Let A is a set of 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 13. B is a set of 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 13. So let us verify this example by the formula. Let us verify. Set A is given. Therefore, number of element in set A is 8. Set B is also given. So, number of element in B is 7. Now, let us see for A union B. Combine all the element. Don't repeat the common elements. So, A union B, number of A union B is 12. A intersection B, check the common elements, that is 1 to 13. That's why number of A intersection B is 3. So let us check number of a plus number of b. Number of a plus b is equals to 8 plus 7. Number of a 8 and number of b 7. 8 plus 7 is 15. So let us check for a union b. A union b is 12 and a intersection b is 3. So a union b plus a intersection b is equals to 12 plus 3, that means 15. So from a plus b and a union plus a intersection b, we satisfy the formula, that is number of a plus number of b is equals to number of a union b plus number of a intersection b. So we will stop here. So student, this is our formula, hence proved. So student, in next class let us solve the practice set 1.4. We will meet in a next class to solve practice set 1.4. पुढच्या तासामध्ये आपण प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.4 पाहणार आहोत. तर आपण भेटूया पुढच्या तासाला. आज आपण इथंच थांबणार आहोत. थँक्यू एव्हरीवन. विल मीट इन नेक्स्ट क्लास. थँक्यू.